If you want to free up space on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we can open Settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down and we need to choose the device care option. And then in here, we can find the storage. So here we can check the information about our storage, of course. But if you want to clear the storage, over here at the bottom, we have certain features that can be used in order to clear the space. So for example, we have trash, so you can get rid of things that you have removed, for example, but they are still kept in trash for 30 days before they are removed permanently. Over here, we also have a tip, so you can free up a certain amount of space by deleting the invisible backups of your pictures and photos. Pictures and videos. And over here, we also have some suggestions about 3 biggest apps, for example. We have duplicate files. If there are any duplications undetected, then you can, for example, remove a duplication. And there are also large files, so files that are considered to weigh over 25 megabytes. Of course, we can adjust that. We can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and choose large file size and choose what should be considered as large size. So I can switch, for example, to 500 megabytes. And as you can see now, it is actually empty. But essentially here we can also tap on show more in order to see the list of the whole list of categories and the amount of space taken by them. So you can have a general idea of what takes lots of space, and then you can decide what you can get rid of. So for example, if you have lots of videos on your phone, then probably they take lots of space. So you can tap over here on videos in order to jump to videos, and then you can, for example, remove some that you don't want to keep anymore. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can also, for example, clear cache for apps. So if you want to do that, we can go back and open apps over here. Here we have the list of apps. So for example, if there is any app that has lots of cache, you can open it. Then over here, open storage. Here we can see how much space is taken by cache, and you can clear cache over here in the bottom right corner. Unfortunately, we have to do this manually, one by one. So this can be quite annoying, but there we go. And you can check apps that you usually use a lot. So probably some social media apps, for example. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.